Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix calling or air speaker not working problem in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you are facing calling speaker or air speaker not working problem in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G, so to fix this problem, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.